Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Simply Said, and I use this actually a lot. So this actually might be my favorite stamp set at the moment. So this is Early Espresso, and I'm using the words thank you because this is going to be a thank you card. I make a lot of thank you cards. So this is a quarter panel of Cajun Craze, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. This is a designer series paper called Autumn Toile, and that is 5 1/4 tall, 6 inches long, scored at 2 inches. We're going to make a little flippy flap card on that quarter panel. As you can tell, I have a little cold. I do apologize for my voice sounding a little odd. Okay, so and I did not create this card. I forgot who did, but I'm going to give you the dimensions. I do not have a PDF, so you'll just have to write down the measurements as I give you them to you. So this very vanilla is 2 1/4 wide, 3 1/4 tall, and that Cajun Craze is going to turn into a small card. So it's 5 inches wide and 3 1/2 inches tall, scored at 2 1/2 inches. So we're going to put that very vanilla card on the inside so that we have somewhere to write our greeting. And look how small it is. We don't have to write a lot other than thank you, you rock. So I'm going to apply this whole piece to this Early Espresso card, which is 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. All right, so and make sure that the flap of the card opens at the left, not at the right. All right, so here's another piece of the Toile, Autumn Toile it's called, and that is 2 1/4 by 3 1/4. I love these pumpkins. I actually, once I knew about what Toile was, I actually kind of dig it now. So it took me watching one of my YouTube videos called The Chateau Diaries. I don't know if anybody else watches that YouTube channel, but they have crazy amounts of plates and stuff in their chateau kitchen. And it all has this toile, and some of their I don't know, materials of their house actually, and tapestries and all of that they are very into this, and it's quite interesting. So now that I learn about it, I think it's lovely, and it tells a story, and that's what I like about this. And this is telling the story of autumn thank you card. So as you can see, I'm fitting that little mini card into our pattern paper flap. And there is the card. So I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to embellish it with some of these streaked dots, they're called, and they're lovely, coppery colored. Anyway, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video See More section on YouTube or in the supply section of my blog post. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up, and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It's free, and it really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.